Hi, it's Stephanie with Joe Morten Son, an agency that specializes in trucking insurance. And it's Truck Driver Appreciation Week. And we're here at a local way station handing out goodie bags to truckers to thank them for everything that they do. Allie, why do you like participating in this event?
I love participating in this event because truckers really make the world move forward. And it shows them that we truly care about them and appreciate them.
Thank you, Allie. If you're enjoying our trucking content, make sure you like and follow Joe Morten Son on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.